Okay, my wonderful people, I come with this exciting unboxing video. I made my order from Jumia, and I was just at my working place and I received a notification that my order is set for delivery, and my order was delivered. And I have to open the package, to check and see if it's exactly what I ordered. And yeah, it is actually is what I ordered. I found in the package. I was just excited, just happy, receiving congratulations. And wow, congratulations. It's something that I've been hoping and expecting to have. Praying to God for provision of, the money, the fund to make the purchase, so that the vision for the content can, can be fulfilled, or receiving a kind of advanced, quality. Audio also matters. Actually, right now I'm not using the mic, but in few moment time I'm gonna switch to the mic. Because of the excitement, I have to return all the packages and still, open it again. So just stay tuned, and I'm gonna make the connection and you'll hear the sound. Testing. So I'm using the microphone now. This is K35 Pro wireless microphone. It's affordable. I'm telling you, this mic is very affordable from Jumia. I have to take advantage of the Black Friday. Is it Black Friday? Yeah. So I have to just, make this order and see if actually I will get what I've ordered. And this is it. This is a dual wireless microphone. It comes with the audio transmitter, the audio receiver, and the audio receiver is one, and the audio transmitter that is two. You can either make use of the two or make use of the one, for interview, two persons, communications. If you are the only person that want to make use of it, you can keep the one and then use the other. So how are you seeing it? This is very affordable, very affordable from Jumia. K35 Pro, that is it. K35 Pro wireless microphone. I really love the outlook, the way it looks like, the way it is. It's actually what I ordered for, and that is what they delivered onto me. Yes, it's amazing. It's amazing. So as it is now, I have to just come out and still make it again. I tell you, the joy is too much. I'm just overwhelmed. When you are expecting something and you really have that expectation came to pass. You understand? You'll be excited. Because of the excitement, I still return this back into the package again and still open it just to still show you how it looks like again. I'm telling you, this is wonderful. I really appreciate God. And I pray that this microphone it is gonna help make the audio effect of the content I'll be making to be more effective, be more clear, to be more sound. So as you are seeing now, this is it again. So to some of you that want to know how much is the price, you want to know the price. Okay, this price of this microphone is something that you can buy, just like I said. It's 12,219 naira. Yeah, 12,219 naira. I think that is the price, and then you're gonna pay delivery fee of 1,400 and something naira. The total is 14,219 naira. So that is the amount that have been paid for the purchasing, the order, and for the delivery. So may you have a wonderful look of this K35 wireless microphone. So I've on it now. That is the indicator. When you on it, it's gonna how do you on it? Okay, you on it for 3 seconds. You press the button for 3 seconds. Both the audio transmitter and the receiver You press it and hold it for 3 seconds, it's going to on. And when it's on, you are going to see a kind of a light, it's a more of like a sky blue color. That is mode 1. And when you still click on it again, that this very one that you are seeing, this is the audio receiver. Is the audio receiver. When you click on it again, to the third mode, you are going to see a light blue color. It shows that it's now ready for connection. Then you fix it to your phone and then start recording. So thanks for watching. Congratulations guys to me. I made my order from Jumia again. After making my order for a wireless microphone, now this is a tripod. It's a kind of mini tripod stand, but it's kind of taller, than the mini one. So this is the tripod stand. It's lightweight tripod stand. It's an aluminum travel tripod for a phone camera, where you can mount. The mount is very flexible and lightweight. As a tripod stand for photography and for field YouTube videos. So bringing out the tripod out from the pack, or let me say the carton. So removing the bag, in which if that bag is supposed to come with a rope in which you can hang it around and walk around with it. But it's a travel tripod and you can travel around with it. So as the way it is, you can mount it on a table or a desk. You understand? You can mount it. But if you want it longer, you can just extend it. That is the extension. When you unlock the lock, and then you now bring out the legs, so that it can be longer than the way it is. Yes. Now I'm extending it. It's not that tall, but it's something that you can use maybe when you can use it while sitting on a chair, but you cannot use it standing up straight as the way I am, because it's not even up to my chest region. But it's something that it's a kickstart, something that you can kickstart. You can start with. You understand? It's good to start from somewhere. I was just smiling, just happy, having this around. That is one of my expectations. So now I'm locking it. After you extend it, then you lock it so that it can stand, it can be stable. You understand? If you didn't lock it, it won't stay. So now I've locked the legs. So now I'm I want to lose the screw for the let me say, should I call it the neck or head region. I want to mount this is the mount where you can mount your phone, where you can hang or put your phone in. So you see, you can shoot the video in any angle with this tripod stand. It's 360 degree tripod stand. You can turn it in up, down, you can rotate it 360 degree. You can rotate it, you understand? So I've mounted the mount. So this is the should I say, let me call it handle. You can, that is where you hold the put on your hand, and rotate your tripod. So I'm now about to bring, this is it's the remote. This is a remote. It comes with a remote in which you can make a connection with your phone, a Bluetooth connection. When you make your connection, then you can control your video or your picture through it. And this tripod stand, it comes with two phone mounts. This one you can use your phone vertically. It's a mount in which you can place your phone vertically, maybe for TikTok or for shorts. You can also use it horizontally, vertically, horizontal, like something like this I have seen. So this is the first mount. That one is the second one. You can make use of either the end of it. So now I'm trying to lose the screw so that I can extend the neck or the head region, because this is not the final height. So this is the final height now. After you raise it up, then you have to lock it back so it can be stable. So I just wanted to leave a congratulation in the comment section. This is an improvement. An improvement is good to get a tool so that you can have a wonderful shooting of video, making a content that will be very good and producing value. So have a look on my new tripod stand. I need your congratulations in the comment section. Thank you for watching.